Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pizza at home. Start your homemade pizza journey by preparing the dough. You'll need about 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 180 milliliters of warm water, 1 packet of active dry yeast, a teaspoon of salt, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Combine these ingredients and knead for 10 minutes until the dough is smooth. Then, let it rise in a warm spot for at least 60 minutes, allowing it to double in size. This crucial step ensures a light and airy crust for your delicious pizza. Once your dough is ready, it's time to build your pizza masterpiece. Begin by spreading a thin, even layer of your preferred pizza sauce across the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Next, generously sprinkle about 150 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. Finally, add your favorite toppings, such as sliced pepperoni, fresh mushrooms, or colorful bell peppers, ensuring they are evenly distributed for a balanced bite. This careful assembly sets the stage for a truly delightful homemade pizza experience. For that perfect crispy crust, preheat your oven to its maximum temperature, usually around 500 degrees Fahrenheit, with a pizza stone or baking steel inside. This high heat is essential for a quick and even bake. Carefully slide your assembled pizza onto the hot surface. Bake for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, or until the crust turns a beautiful golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly charred. This precise baking method ensures a professional quality result every time. Your homemade pizza is almost ready to enjoy. Carefully remove it from the oven using a pizza peel. It's important to let the pizza rest for about 2 to 3 minutes before slicing. This allows the cheese to set and prevents toppings from sliding off. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh basil leaves or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Slice into 8 equal pieces and serve immediately to savor your culinary achievement. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.